Hey guys, I got this glasses from Metro Sunnies and this is only 895 pesos. As you can see, there is a box and this is their TikTok account. And let us check what's inside this. Okay, so there's a pouch, color black, and there's a thank you card. And then at the back, let's check it out. But let's see first what's in front. Yan. Alright. So at the back, it shows the accounts of Metro Sunnies, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you can see there, once you rate them 5 stars, you can actually have a 150 worth of voucher for your next purchase. So the mechanics, you'll see that after you purchase it. And this is like their microfiber cloth. Gagamitin mo yan pa muna sa glasses na pinili mo. And this is what I ordered. The color Mindy gray. This is what you can see on the receipt. Ayan. So let us check the glasses itself. Let me just... Alright, let's see. Alright, so as you can see, it's just a simple design. And there's a plastic to protect the arms of your glasses. So I specifically choose this design because I know it fits my appearance. And if you will check the end of it, you'll see the name of Metro Sunnies. Ayan. And napakaganda talaga and sobrang worth it yung 895 pesos ko. So, yung marirecommend ko lang is piliin niyo yung kung ano yung mas babagay din sa face niyo or kung ano yung kailangan niyo talaga. Kasi yung mga previous purchase ko, hindi ako satisfied kasi napangot yung hilong ko. So, lagi siya nalalaglag. Ito sobrang sakto lang. So, hindi siya maluwag din siya nalalaglag. So, this is what I can really recommend sa mga gusto ng steady lang na salamin. Hindi nalalaglag. The reason why I purchased this anti-radiation glass was because I'm actually having pain on my right eye, especially during daytime when I go out. So, I really decided to purchase a glasses that could help me protect my eyes from dangerous lights or damages. So, ito yung best option that I could get for now. I also had like the blue light test, and as you can see, the light is going through the glass into the paper that we're using. So, ayan, makikita nyo naman talagang may difference siya on the left side and on the right side. So, ayun lang guys, bye!